a chord 10 centimeter long, a chord 10 centimeter long is drawn in a circle, is drawn in a circle, a chord 10 centimeter long, a chord 10 centimeter, a chord 10 centimeter long is drawn in a circle whose radius is 5 root 2, whose radius is 5 root 2, whose radius is 5 root 2. Find the area of both segments. Find the area of both segments. Find the area of both segments. Take pi 3.14. Take pi 3.14. Look at here. Okay. Here A O B. A chord of 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. Okay. This one 5 root 2. This also 5 root 2. You have to find out area of sector area. How you find out? Area of triangle, area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. If it is 60 degree, 60 degree, it is what? Equilateral triangle, right? 60 degrees is an equilateral triangle. It is 90, just half base into height. This is the easiest way, okay? You can use any formulas, there is no issue. But you should study that one. Don't just copy and find out, okay? Okay, now look at here now. How will find out this one? The angle is not given. What will do then? Question, okay or not? Listen. The question, hello, listen here. A chord 10 centimeter, a chord 10 centimeter, a chord 10 centimeter. Just wait, Ganja. A chord 10 centimeter, a chord 10 centimeter long is drawn to a circle. A chord 10 centimeter long is drawn in a circle whose radius is 5 root 2. Whose radius is 5 root 2. Find the area of both segments. Okay, question clear now? Maria, you got the question? A chord, listen, a chord 10 centimeter long is drawn in a circle whose radius is 5 root 2. Find the area of the segment. Okay, look at here. Which type of triangle this one? Angle is not given. Isosceles triangle, sure. That is okay. Isosceles, okay. Anybody can answer that. Okay. It's a right angle triangle, right? Look at here. Check OA square plus OB square equal to 5 root 2 whole square plus 5 root 2 whole square. How much? 50 plus 50 equal to what? AB square, right? So that means it's a right angle triangle. Correct or no? It's a right angle triangle, right? First write that one. In triangle AOB, right? In triangle AOB, OA square plus OB square equal to OA square plus OB square equal to then OA 5 root 2 whole square plus 5 root 2 square. That is 50 plus 50 equal to 100 equal to AB square. Correct or no? Therefore, AOB is a right triangle. AOB is a right triangle. Okay. Now you can find out, right? Now we can find area of the sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. Okay, use pi 3.14. use pi 3.14. Use pi 3.14. Yes, both means what? Sri Lanka. Find the areas of both segments, minor and major. Find the area of minor and major segments. Okay, finish. You understand? Anyone have doubt how to find this one? Hello. Anyone have doubt how to find out? How we got 90 degree? Anyone have doubt? Okay, you'll get minor segment 14.25 centimeter square. 14.25 centimeter square. Then next is what? Major. Major segment. Major segment means area of the major sector plus triangle. Okay, finish. Okay, I'll wait. Answer is minor 14.25. Minor is 14.25. Minor 14.25 and major 142.75 centimeter square. 142.75 centimeter square. Okay, clear now. So we'll start see the next question. Okay. Is it okay? Finish all. So, look at here the plan, understood now? Okay. So, listen, suppose in case if not getting the angle, what you will do? Look, suppose listen here. Suppose you're not getting the angle. Listen. Okay, you're not getting, remembering this Pythagoras theorem and all. What we'll do? We just draw a perpendicular. Okay, M. Now, this one OA equal to OB, radius, and 90, 90 by construction. Then this is common. By RHS congruency, these are congruent. Then this is given 5 root 2. This is AM equal to MB, so it is 5. This angle theta. So we can write sin theta equal to 5 by 5 root 2. So sin theta 1 by root 2. Sin theta 1 by root 2. The theta how much? Theta how much? 45 degree. So here 45, here 45. So finish. Okay. This way also you can apply it, but the easier way, the previous one. Okay. So listen here. If not getting, those not getting, listen here. Once again, listen here. Look, the question is, look, listen here. Hamza, listen here. The question is, look, this is called AB. Okay. Here, this length is 5 root 2. This also 5 root 2 here 10. What do you have to find out? Area of minor segment. This area we have to find out. Right? Area of minor segment means area of the sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. First of all, we have to get the triangle at this angle here. So we just check OA square plus OB square equal to 5 root 2 whole square plus 5 root 2 whole square. That is 25 plus 25 equal to 50, which is, it is 50 plus 50. That is 100, which is equal to AB square. Right? So that means by converse of Pythagoras theorem, this angle 90 degree. Okay. Now, after that, we can find area of the sector AOB. Area of AOB, sector AOB, that is 1 by 4 pi r square. Actual formula is what? Pi r square theta by 360. Here is 90 degree, you can write 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into r is 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. How much you got that? Hello, how much you got that? How much you got? This one, 39.25. Okay, 39.25. Then you find area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB half into OA into OB. So how much you got? 25, 25. Okay, therefore, area of sector is what? 39.25 minus 25 centimeter square. Okay, the sector minus triangle. So we got answer is 14.25 centimeter square. Okay, then we want major segment. Major segment means this full. So that how you find out? Okay, you can find this area. pi r square theta by 360. 3.14 into r is 5 root 2 into 5 root 2 into the 270 divided by 360. Correct or not? Because this angle 90, this will be 270. Plus area of triangle we have already added. That answer is 142.75 centimeter square. 142.75 centimeter square. I have finished now, right? Is it okay all? Yes, that way also we can find out area of a circle minus area of segment. That's okay, no problem. Okay. So clear now? This Nivedita, you read the previous note, right? Hello. You read the previous note because it's in between one class. Hello, you can hear me? So we'll try next question, okay? A chord of a circle of radius, a chord of a circle of radius, a chord of a circle of radius, a chord of a circle of radius 20 centimeter, a chord of a circle of radius 20 centimeter, subtends an angle of 90 degree. Subtends an angle of 90 degree. Subtends an angle of 90 degree. Subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center. Subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center. Find the area of the find the area of the corresponding major segment. Find the area of the corresponding major segment. Find the area of the corresponding major segment. Okay. Find the area of the corresponding major segment. Question again. A chord of a circle, listen. A chord of a circle of radius 20 centimeter. This one 20, this also 20, this 90. Subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center. Find the area corresponding major segment. Corresponding major segment. That means this you have to find out. Okay, find first. Use pi 3.14. Use pi 3.4. Okay, very important thing. If it is pi value is given, it's supposed to use 3.14 only. If it is 22/7, 22/7. Okay. Okay, try now. If not getting, tell me. We'll discuss it. Okay. The newcomers are not getting, tell me. Late. Radius is 20. Radius 20 centimeter. Radius 20. A chord of a circle, a chord of a circle of radius 20 centimeter subtends an angle of 90 degree. Okay, you can see the Abhimanyu. You can see the board now, 20, 20 here. Okay. Find the area corresponding major segment. Okay. No, Sri Lanka. I think it is correct. Sure, correct. 1 4. Are sure that's correct? Radius is 20. Okay, let me check. Okay. Everybody getting 1142? Okay, we'll see. Okay, here. Okay, we need. Okay, we can find area of the major sector AOB. Pi r square theta by 360. 3.14 into r is 20 into 20, 270 divided by 360. Okay, how much you got this? How much you got this? 3.14 into 20 into 20 into 270 by 360. 942. Okay, then area of triangle. Area triangle half into 20 into 20. 200. Okay. Therefore, total is 1142. Okay. This, okay. Roshni, no problem. Nivedita, are you getting or not? Hello? Are you getting or not? Okay, it is centimeter. How come area is centimeter man for us? Centimeter square. Okay. So it's clear now. Okay, unit. Okay, you, Maria, getting or not? You got? So finish now, right? So we'll try one more question. Okay. Okay. A chord AB of a circle. Right. Not finished? Okay, I'll wait. Srishti, I'll wait. This is just a revision question because you made mistakes in this one. Okay. Sunday test is this chapter only. Okay. for us. So you have long holiday now. Tuesday, today Tuesday, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, okay, Sunday, 5 days. So next class on next Sunday only. See, a break for you. Okay, it's finished now. Srishti finished. Okay, so next question. AB. Okay, AB. What the question? Listen here. A chord AB of a circle. A chord AB of a circle. A chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. 1-4. A chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. 1-4. Makes an angle of 60 degree. Makes an angle of 60 degree. Makes an angle of 60 degree. At the center, a chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter makes an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle. At the center of the circle. Okay. Find the area of the minor segment. Find the area of the minor segment. Find the area of the minor segment of the circle. Use pi 22/7. Use pi 22/7. Use pi 22/7. Question again. I'll give you the values. Don't ask. Okay, Abhimanyu, just finish the question. A chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter makes an angle of 60 degree. At the center of the circle, find the area of the minor segment of the circle. Minor segment of the circle. Use pi 22/7, √3 1.73. √3 1.73. Okay. Try now. So for us, what's the plan in Eid program? Okay. How we can go? The mosque? √3 1.73. Okay. So this angle is 60 degree. Anyone have doubt? If it is 60 degree, what we will do? Area of this one, how much? Look, there's no doubt. Listen here. A, O, B. Yeah, we have to find this only. Okay, this is 14 14, this is 60. So first, area of sector AOB, area of sector AOB equal to 5 r square theta by 360. So 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into theta, 60 divided by 360. Cancel here, 6. 7 cancel, 2. Cancel here, 3. How much you got this one? Okay, Carol got how much this one? 102.6. 102.6 centimeter square. 67. Okay, no problem. 67. Then next, area of triangle. Area of triangle AOB. Okay, it's an equilateral triangle. Correct or no? You can, if you just give a brief note. OA equal to OB. Therefore, angle A equal to angle B. Each angles are equal. So hence, this is equilateral triangle. Okay. Then before starting, I saw one student after the answer writing this also. Okay, you should write before starting the area of triangle. Clear or no? I forgot the name. One student answered like that. After the all answer finished, then started angle OA equal to OB. Therefore, angle A equal to angle B. Angle opposite equal sides are equal. Hence, it's an equilateral triangle like that. Okay. So now here, this is root 3 by 4 r square or a square. Okay. So 1.73 into 14 into 14 divided by 4. You got how much? 17.89. 17.89, right? Are you okay? All got this area of triangle. Niharika, correct or not? 17.8. Okay, then final answer is what? No. Area of triangle, I think wrong, you said. The final answer is 17.89, correct? Yeah, area of equilateral triangle is 84.77. 84.77. Area of the final answer is 17.80 or 17.89. Okay, no problem. Okay, 89. Okay, 17 point something. Okay, could all got this. Okay. Okay, so finished now. So now this, I hope you understood the method, right? Okay, it's very simple. Just find the sector, okay, minus area of triangle for the minor segment. Major segment, area of the major sector plus area of triangle. Okay, so next question. So next one is star question. Okay, right. In figure, AB 36 centimeter. AB 36 centimeter. In figure, AB 36 centimeter. In figure, AB 36 centimeter, and M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Semicircles are drawn. Semicircles are drawn on AB. Semicircles are drawn on AB, AM, and MB. AM and MB. Semicircles are drawn on AB, AM, and MB as diameters. Okay. A circle with center C. A circle with center C. A circle with center C. Touch all the a circle with the center C touches all the three circles. Touches all the three circles. Touches all the three circles. Okay. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay. You got the question? Hello. Where for us? Okay, look at here. How can I go? Look, question again. I'll read. AB that AB 36. M is the midpoint of AB. The figure I'll give you. Don't wait. Just wait. M is the midpoint of AB. Semicircles are drawn on AB, AM, and MB as diameters. A circle with center C touches all the three circles. Find the area of the shaded region. Look. A, B. M is the midpoint. Semicircle here. Then one circle. Okay. We have to find the area. This is C. I'm calling this is P. This is Q. Okay. We have to find out area of the this shaded one. We have to find out. Okay. That's the figure. Okay. Draw down. Okay. Come on. So finish the figure. I'll explain this one. Okay. Look, the hint. Then we can try. Okay. Look at here. The shaded area is area of the semicircle on AB, the big semicircle. Okay. Minus this semicircle plus this semicircle plus this semicircle. So this full circle. Are you okay or not? Plan okay or not? The plan, what is the plan? Shaded area equal to area of the semicircle on AB minus area semicircle on AM plus area semicircle on MB plus area circle on area circle center C. Okay, write the first line. Write in your book. First line. Shaded area equal to. Shaded area equal to area of the semicircle on AB, area of the semicircle on AB, then minus in square bracket, area of the semicircle on AB minus area semicircle on AM plus area semicircle on MB. This is AM. MB plus circle with center C. Okay, and write short form only. Here the full short write like this. Shaded area equal to area of the semicircle on AB minus area of the semicircle on AM plus area semicircle on MB plus area of the circle with center C. Okay, plan okay or not? Okay, now look at here. Now listen. Area semicircle on AB. Radius how much? Radius how much? Oh, radius is 36. No. 18. Correct or no? With 18. All with the pi. Don't multiply with the pi. Correct or no? Don't multiply pi. That means half pi into 18 into 18. Okay. Minus. Now, area semicircle on AM. area semicircle on AM. What is the radius? Area semicircle on AM. What is the radius? It is how much? 9 or 18? It's 9, correct or no? Because AM is 18, MB also 18. So half pi into 9 square plus same half pi into 9. Don't write now, don't write. You just write one line, leave it after that, okay? Now, area circle with center C. How to find out that radius? Okay, don't write. How to find the radius? Any idea? How to find the radius of the circle with center C? Okay, that's the important part here. Rest all anybody can do it. Join ABC. Then what? Join ABC. Okay, then what to do? We need radius. Any other suggestions? I don't know. Any other suggestion? Okay. Radius M through C. M through C. Okay. Ganja. Okay. Then any other suggestions? Come on. Any other suggestion how to get the radius? Only two suggestions I got. One is join ABC. The next is join MC. Okay. And AB. We already join now. AC and AB for us. Okay. We'll consider that also. Okay. Next. Any other? Snigdha. Join PC. Okay. And QC. Come on. Okay. 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 Any other suggestions? Maybe you have any other suggestion? Okay. Join MC also. Okay. Everything join now. Okay. Come on, guys. Draw perpendicular from C on AB. C on AB. Okay. Okay. Then make a perpendicular from C. Okay. Then any others? Because you have join PC, PC and OC. PC and OC. Okay, you will. Okay, any other suggestion? Come on, you can suggest now. Maybe correct. Okay, maybe wrong. Make a perpendicular C on them. Use a Pythagoras theorem to get the radius. Which join? Okay, look at here now. My plan is look at here. Look, I draw this one, this line. Okay. Then I join to here. Okay. Look, this is 9, right? PM and this one 9. This is radius R. This is 9. Okay. Now in triangle PMC, PC square equal to PM square plus MC square. Correct? PC square equal to PM square plus MC square. So that is 9, right here. 9 plus R whole square equal to 9 plus R whole square equal to 9 square plus how much MC? Come on. MC how much? That's important. MC how much? Come on. MC, no. MC not 18. MC not 18. 18 minus R. Oh, Maria, come on. 18 minus R, right? 18 minus R. Correct or no? 18 minus r whole square, because this full is 18. This is r here. 18 minus r whole square. So now 81 plus r square plus 18r equal to 81 plus 324 minus 36r plus r square. R square cancel, 81 cancel, you will get r. Okay, you got r. Now we can finalize it. Okay, start first this one. Okay, you wrote the first line. After that, listen, you wrote like this: required area equal to or shaded area equal to area semicircle on AB minus area semicircle on AM plus area semicircle on MB plus area circle center C. After that, you do this construction and all and get the radius. Okay, now we complete it. Okay, then listen, don't multiply always pi. The final multiply the pi. Okay. Okay, get the final answer for us to get the radius r. You want your doubt there? Radius of the circle center C. Okay, we join. Look at here. We join. Drop up CM. Okay. Join CM and join PM. Okay. Then PC. Okay. Now PMC is a right triangle by our construction. So PC square equal to, look, PC square equal to PM square plus MC square. Okay. Then PC 9 plus R whole square equal to PM 9. MC means full length is up to here is 18. R is subtracted. 18 minus R whole square. So we got R equal to, I think R equal to 6, right? How much you got R? Okay, R 6. Then find the answer. Okay, what is the answer? Final. You'll get 45 pi. Then multiply 45 into 32 by 7. Don't multiply all together, okay? Look, here half pi into 18 square minus half pi into 9 square, correct? Half pi into 9 square plus pi into 6 square. Okay. This is how much you got? 324 by 2. How much? How much you got? How many pi? 324 divided by 2. How much? You got? Tell me first. 162. 162 pi minus this one. Some fraction, right? Tell me, no problem. Fraction, no problem. 81 by 2 pi plus, right? 81 by 2 pi plus pi into 36. Okay. So 162 pi minus this is 162 by 2. How much? 81, right? 81 pi plus 36 pi. Okay. Finally, you will get 45 pi. Then 45 pi multiplied by 22 by 7. Okay. That is the final answer. Okay. This is okay now? Five 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Okay. If not given, you can use 22 by 7. Okay. In the question, in the board paper, pi value will be there. You're supposed to use that only. Final answer is 141.42 centimeter square. Okay. Centimeter square. Okay. So next one. So clear now, right? Okay. Right. Find the area of the shader region. The shader region still not finished for us. Still many questions there. For us doesn't like shader region area. Find the area of the shader region. Actually, all the books I finish. Sorry, all the chapters I finish one book only. I come back to with another book. Okay. Find the area of shader region. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay. If BC equal to BD equal to 8 centimeter. BC equal to BD equal to 8 centimeter. BC equal to BD equal to 8 centimeter. AC equal to AD. AC equal to AD. AC equal to AD. AD 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Okay, this is actually same. Okay. Okay. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Question. Find the area of the shaded region. Listen. Find the area of the shaded region in figure. BC equal to BD 8 centimeter. This is 8. This is also 8. AC equal to AD 15 centimeter. 1.5. Okay. And O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Okay. Take pi 3.14. Take pi 3.14. You try now. Okay. AD. AD is same now. AC equal to AD 15. AD equal to AC equal to 15. Clear now? This is 15, that's 15. You have to find out the area of the shaded region. Okay. Okay. Are you trying now, right? You got the question. AOB is a diameter. AC, AD 15. BC and BD 8. Okay. Niharika, what is your plan? Hello, Niharika, what is the plan? Area of BCD, area of the circle minus area of the A, B, C, D. Okay. How you find? Okay. Okay, you find. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Correct. Okay. What areas? Area of the circle. You got the radius with you? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. R equal to 17. How? Steve. That's correct. Okay. Steve got R equal to 17. Anybody got that? Steve got R equal to 17. R, say yes, correct. 17 by 2. Yes, 17 by 2, correct. 17 by 2. Not R. AB 17. AB 17. Correct or no? AB is how? How you got? Because this angle 90 degree, correct? Okay. Actually, my suggestion was this question for the test. Okay, but they didn't agree. Our team did not agree this question for the test. Okay, look at here. Come on, angle C. You have tried that one. Angle C, angle C equal to angle D, 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. You heard about man Farash. Angle in a semicircle. So therefore, use Pythagoras theorem. You'll get AB. 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square what? 225 plus 8, 64, 289. 289 is root is what? You remember now? So, see, you remember last year, the first class, I gave you a table, table 1. What? 9th, first day, I gave a table, table 1. 1 to 30 by heart, all the squares. Correct or no? Yeah, that will be useful. So now here, 225 plus 64, 29. It is 70. Now you find out. Now you find area of the circle, pi r square, pi value 3.14. Then area of triangle, okay, half base into height. This is also half base into height. Okay, you get the answer. Okay. So final answer, tell me. Okay. Answer is I think it's wrong. How much you got? Yeah, correct. 106 point, yes, correct. 106.87. 106.87. Clear, no? Area of the circle, 3.14 into 17 by 2 whole square minus half into 8 into 15. 8 into 15 into 2. Why into 2? Because same only, correct? Okay, calculation. The answer is 106 point something 87. Okay, 106.87. Okay. Okay, finish all. 106 point. Clear now. 106.86. Finish. Anyone doubt? Tunil, it's getting or not? You finish? Oh, you got. Okay, okay. So your net is today okay? Okay, because lockdown almost over now. This third phase. So, Srishti, you didn't get it. Okay. Okay, finished now. Next question. We had about hexagon. Hello, hexagon. What is that? 6 sides. Okay. Regular hexagon. What is the meaning? Regular hexagon. Equal. All equal sides, right? Okay. What about the angle? What about each angle? How much? Any idea? How to find out one formula there is? You study or not? No. There is not a formula. Okay. You think about. No. Okay. Maybe you'll get like batch B. One guy said while thinking, he got the new formula. Like in Bible, Moses prayed for the food. Food means manna. Then God gave the food. Correct or not? You read in Bible this one? Anyone? It is there. Correct or not? The food name, not food actually, it is called the manna. So like that, one guy thinking, suddenly he got that special formula for the minor segment. Okay, like that. What is the formula? This one. This is the common formula only. Sri Lanka, I think correct. Yeah, no. N minus 2 into I forgot actually. N minus 2 into 180 by n, like that only, no, right? Right. Each angle. Let us see. N minus 2 into 180 by n. Okay, we can check with the square. Square how much? N 44. 4 minus 2 into 180 by 4. So what is that? 2 into 180 by 4. Yeah, correct. N minus 2 into 180 by n. Correct or no? Not 2. Ganja. Okay, n minus 2 in. Okay, right now. Each angle of a regular polygon. N minus 2 into n minus 2 into 180 by n, each angle of a regular polygon. Each angle of a regular polygon equal to each angle of a regular polygon n minus 2 into 180 by n. Okay, now our question. Write the question. Right. ABCDEF is a regular pentagon. ABCDEF is a regular pentagon. ABCD. Okay. So okay now, correct? Can see now, Abhimanyu. Okay. ABCD. Yeah, okay. No, I just I do some other work also in between. I just tried another camera. Okay. I can change to now here 3 cameras there is. Okay. Camera 1, like camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, light 1, light 2, light 3. Okay, right. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. Okay. With vertices A, B, C, D, E, and F are with vertices A, B, C, D, E, and F. E and F as centers as centers, circles of same radius, are drawn. Circles of same radius are drawn. Find the area of the shaded. Find the area of the shaded portion. Find the area of the shaded portion. Find the area of the shaded portion. Okay. Look at here. You can draw better. Okay. Okay, it's not correct. Okay. You make a nice figure. Okay. Here, A, B, C, D, E, F. One circle. Okay, this area. Okay. Question again. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon with vertices A, B, C, D, E, F as centers of circle of same radius. Same radius R. Find the area of the shaded portion. Find the area of the shaded portion. Okay, try now. Okay. Oh, okay. Question. Okay, listen here. Question is Vincent. Listen here. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon with with vertices A, B, C, D, E, F as centers. Circles are drawn with same radius, all same radius. Then find the area of the shader region. Find the area of the shader region. Okay, Zara and Vincent, you got the question now, right? Okay, now look at here. Are you trying or not? Anyone trying? Or I'll do this one. Okay, the plan is what? Plan is okay. With the radius, you can assume the radius is given R. Get the angle. Okay. Then find the sector, multiply by 6. Okay. Look at here the angle. Listen here. The formula for each angle. Listen here. You write each angle 180. And what is the formula? N minus 2 into 180 by n. You remember this one? Each angle equal to n minus 2 into 180 by n. N is 6 because 6 sides. 6 minus 2 into 180 divided by 6. So that is 4 into 30. So each angle is 120. You all got that angle. Each angle is 120. Correct or no? Each angle, how to find the angle? The formula is what? N minus 2. N minus 2 into 180 by n. N equal to number of sides. So each angle 120. Then that means sector area is pi r square theta 120 divided by 360 into 6. Correct? Correct or no? Pi sector area is formula what? Pi r square theta by 360. Pi r square theta 120 divided by 360 into 6. 6 sector. So here 6 cancel 6. Cancel here 2. Answer what? 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square centimeter square. 2 pi r square unit, not centimeter, Lakshmi. Okay. 2 pi r square. Okay. Okay, so finished. Clear all? Everyone okay? Is it okay or not? Finish. Vincent. Not finished? Not. You didn't get it? You got Vincent. You got the angle, right? Mansuri. Okay. Okay. Mansuri, listen. Mansuri, we have 6 sector is there. You saw 6 sector, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 sector. Each angle is how much? 120 degree. That understood or not? Okay. So finish. How to find sector area? Pi r square theta by 360. Right? Pi r square theta by 360. So pi into r square. R is given r only. Theta 120. 120 by 360. So cancel here 3. Pi r square by 3 into 6 because 6 sector. So answer what? 2 pi r square. Okay now? Arjun, are you getting or not? Gauri, it's okay? So next question. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel DC. AB parallel DC. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel DC. Okay. AB 18 centimeter, DC 32 centimeter. Okay. And the distance between AB and DC, 14 centimeter. Distance between AB and DC is 14 centimeter. Okay. If arcs of equal radii, arcs of equal radius 7 centimeter. Arcs of equal radii 7 centimeter, taking A, B, C, and D have been drawn. Okay. Then find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Question again. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel DC. AB equal to 18 centimeter. AB equal to 18 centimeter, 18. DC 32 centimeter. And distance between AB and DC 14, 14. Okay. If arcs of equal radii, 7 centimeter, taking A, B, C, D have been drawn, find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, fine. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, clear now? You can symbol area of the trapezium minus area of 4 arc. This area, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, try now. Okay, getting or not? Hello? Ayan, you got the question, right? You want the question? Ayan, you got the question or not? Okay, okay, then try. Okay. $50. No. 50, no, not 50. Niharika. Any other answer? Okay, so look at here. So Shreya, Ganja, that is correct, I think. Okay. Look at here. So, anyone want to need more time? The plan. Look at here. The plan. I tell you. Area of the trapezium. What formula? H by 2 into A plus B. Correct or not? Area of trapezium is H by 2 into A plus B. H is given 14, A 18, B 32. That part is okay, clear. Now, we have to find this area. Okay, I have assumed that. Look at here. This angle, the angle not given. Say theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. All radius how much? 7, right? Radius is how much? 7 centimeters. Okay. So look at here. This area, pi r square theta 1 by 360 plus pi r square theta 2 by 360 plus pi r square theta 3 by 360 plus pi r square theta 4 by 360. This part we have removed. Correct or no? Hello. From the area of trapezium, we have to remove these all. This sector area, sector number 2, sector number 3, sector number 4. Plan okay or not? Who are not getting? Plan understood or not? Okay. Clear? Okay. Now, common pi r square by 360 outside. Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. How much that? Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4, how much? It is 360, correct? Oh, 360, right? So, pi r square by 360 into 360. So, cancel, answer what? Pi r square. Correct or no? Yes, pi r square. Pi r square is what? 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7. cancel 154. Area of 4 circle is 154. Area of the trapezium we can find out. Then subtract. Final answer is 196 centimeters square. Okay, complete first. Now clear now. Okay, finished now? Is it okay? Hello? Finish or not? Answer is 196. Okay. So this is enough today. So your next class on next Sunday. Okay. Have a nice holidays. Okay. Enjoy the break.